Hey everyone, welcome back. ChatGPT has a proper image generator built in, and on the free plan you get a few every day, which is plenty for most people. Today I will show you how to use it, the prompt structure that actually gets good results, and how to save what you make. So let's get straight into it. Swipe up to open your apps, tap the search bar, and type in ChatGPT. Now tap the app to open it, and on the home screen, tap Create an Image. This opens image mode. You get some style suggestions here: caricature, anime, underwater, handwritten, and the message box now says, describe an image. Now the prompt, and it has 4 parts: what the picture is of, where it is, the lighting, and the style. So I am typing, a cozy coffee shop on a rainy evening in Paris. Warm light through the window. People reading, cinematic, photorealistic. Now tap send. And that took about 30 seconds, and honestly, it nailed it. Now to keep it, tap the image once and it opens full screen. Along the top there is a small download arrow, right next to share. Tap that and you will see image saved. It is now sitting in your phone gallery like any normal photo. And look along the bottom: edit, comment, resize and remove. Those are your quick tools for changing the picture without generating a whole new one. Now, why did that prompt work so well? Because it had 4 parts: the subject, a coffee shop; the setting, a rainy evening in Paris; the lighting, warm light through the window; and the style, cinematic and photorealistic. If you just type coffee shop, you get a generic stock photo. Now tap the X in the top left to close it. Now here is the bit that saves you the most time. If you want a different version, do not start a new prompt. Just describe the change in the same chat. So I am typing, make it daytime and sunny. Send that, and it keeps the same coffee shop, the same window, the same framing, and changes only what I asked for. And one thing worth knowing, on the free plan you get a limited number of images a day, so if it suddenly stops generating, that is almost always why. So let's recap. Open ChatGPT, and on the home screen tap Create an Image. That puts you into image mode, and the message box changes to Describe an image. Then write the prompt in 4 parts: what it is of, where it is, the lighting, and the style. Send it, and give it about 30 seconds. When it lands, tap the image to open it full screen, then tap the download arrow at the top, and it saves straight into your gallery. And if you want a different version, do not start again, just describe the change in the same chat. If this helped you out, give the video a thumbs up and subscribe for more quick tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.